thought I'd have a change of sound today. So we have a helicopter. Yes. Wow. Let me know how you are getting on. We have finally reached the end of 2021. Can you believe it? Yes, another year of the Weekly Web Dev Challenge. Hello to Dave, first commenter of the evening, and to Anne Breen and Borges Girardi. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Yes, a sentiment I share. Great job, Dave, completing all the JavaScript Miss challenges, says Anne Breen. Yeah, let me know in the chat how many of those challenges you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, or 0, I guess. Hopefully not. Yes, amazing job to you all. Steve is hitting me with that tiger already, and we all know what that means. Yes, if you are new here, please put a tiger in the chat. And if you're if you're new here, put a bunny rabbit in the chat. If you've been before, hit me with that tiger. That's the right way around. Why helicopter? Well, I don't know really. I thought I'd give it a try. There's various things to choose from. So I thought I'd see what's going on with the old helicopter. Hi, Leanne. Yes, sound and video okay. That's good to know. It's always nice when someone confirms that. Thank you very much. Hello to Felix as well, and Path Anghet Pang. Wow, I've done 24. I mean 6. Not bad. Hopefully you will do 24. Yes. Dave is hitting me with that elephant from Colchester. And some more tigers in the chat. Super cool to see. Okay, it is time to have a look at the solutions. Here they are. Now, even though half of this weekly web dev challenge was kind of overlapped with JavaScript, we still had 23 solutions. So that's good news. And yeah, let's have a look at your solutions. We have a couple of people raising their hands in the chat. If you have submitted a solution and you're here right now, do the same and I will have a look at it. Renzo has done 5.5 JavaScript Miss challenges. Great stuff. Looking forward to seeing it. Okay, where are those raised hands? Yeah, there we go. Let's take a look at Aungs. But before we do that, I must point out on the Weekly Web Dev Challenge page, a new link has appeared, which takes you to the JavaScript Miss picks of the day. Here they are. Now, we're not saying by any means these are the absolute best, purely because, unfortunately, it would take us far too long to actually inspect all of the solutions. But these are just some that have caught our eye through our time on Twitter or Discord or wherever else you might find a JavaScript Miss solution. So go in and check these out. Maybe you'll get some inspiration, or maybe you'll see yours there. Yeah. So, let's check yours out. Very nice and very retro screensaver. And what is more, you can add your own timer. Yeah, woo! And then it bounces around in a very retro way. Awesome. And I like the gradient on each of the letters as well. Yeah. Super fantastic and amazing. Yay! Anne Breen also submitted the solution. Let us check that out. This, oh yeah, it's psychedelic. Look at it go. This is extremely relaxing. It's like a piece of art. These amazing changing color linked galaxy blobs, I guess I would call it. And this is done, if you're wondering, with canvas. I think, pretty sure. This is called canvas, but now I'm looking at it, I don't know if it is the canvas. It's pretty amazing, anyway, and I want to look at it and find out how it is actually done. Super cool. Well done, you. And green. Woo. Yes. Great job on the challenges. Super fantastic, says Steve. Absolutely. Let's check out Dave's. Dave, I think, was the very first one to submit with this glowing hypnotic blob. Do nothing for 5 seconds. It's coming, guys. Here it is. The glowing orb has entered the building. I could just watch this all day. It's extremely relaxing. Beautiful job to Dave. Interested in what the JS approach was. Ooh, yeah. We had some fun with this on the coding live stream. I can't remember what the problem was. Oh, it was mainly making the blob not jittery, basically. But Dave has done it in an amazing way. Well done to you, Dave. And who else is here? Ooh, Renzo. Renzo, who has done 5.5 JavaScript challenges and this. Wow, Renzo is on fire. Screensaver. Yes, the pun I wished I'd thought of. If there were a prize for the best pun, I think Renzo would win. So we have a timer. Oh, I moved too quickly. Look at that. Beautiful jelly-like cube. It's transparent. It's multicolored. It's spinning. It does it all. Actually, I should have pressed. Yeah. And we have what would you call it? Checkerboard floor. So yeah, another level. Well done to you, Renzo. And we have Mohammed Tahir Khan. Did you submit one of these screensavers? Because if it's the same Tahir, which I'm not sure if it is, Tahir made this, which Michael chose for our JavaScriptmas pick of the day for day 3. It's the Don't Scare Your Relatives challenge. And not only has Tahir removed the scary theme, he's also added 3 Christmassy themes to choose from. Look at him go. But I'm not sure if there is a screensaver. Oops, pressed the wrong one. Let me know if there is one and I'm just missing it, or maybe you've used a different name, and I will check it out. Yes. Who else is here? Canvas for the win. Yes. Amazing. I have fallen in love with my own solution. Yes, it's done using HTML Canvas. If I knew anything about HTML Canvas, I probably would have known that, but I don't as yet, but it's on my list of things to learn in 2022. Oh, I have just realized that there are not many minutes left to vote. So if you've not voted yet, you have 5 more minutes left to do it, so head on over there. And don't forget, you can choose more than one, but you can only choose once. So choose carefully, because if you come back after you've voted, it'll say, computer says no. That's the glowing Orbson. Yes, amazing. Hello to Lacho. Ooh. How would you pronounce this name? Batman. Yes, amazing. Okay, anyone else has submitted a solution, let me know. Ooh. Or, yes, you can also suggest solutions that you want me to look at. So, as Dave would like to look at Elizabeth's, let's do that. Very nice. Rainbow, lunar eclipse, or solar eclipse. I guess it could be either. Would you like to have a rainbow moon or a rainbow sun, or both? Let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. This reminds me of the type of light up toy things you can get at fun fairs. Very nice indeed. Yes, super glad, says Borges Girardi, to be learning so much with all your submissions. Yes, it's a coloured black hole. Speaking of black holes, this is a discussion I've had with Michael recently. I'm trying to ask this in an unbiased way. Without Googling, type in the chat, what do you know about black holes? Now, obviously, if you've got a PhD in black holes, you probably don't need to type it all up. But what are the basic things you know about black holes? This is a survey to settle a dispute between Michael and I. It's FLX. I will look at that one next. Black hole discussions are hard to escape. Yeah, well, they certainly are. Over to FLX. This one here, yeah, this is very interesting because FLX, aka Felix, has used the basic idea of the challenge, but also turned it into a nice meditation aid. Because you see at the bottom, I can't move the mouse because it will turn off, it says breathe in and breathe out. It's a breathing guide. So it's nice and relaxing. Yeah, which I thought was a very great idea. About black holes, they are hugely massive collapsed stars from which naught can escape, not even light. Time slows down in a black hole. Yeah. Oh, there's a video about them. And Interstellar's rendition of black holes too. Yes. I'm going to wait a bit more to see what other people say. Oh, look at that. Time is nearly running out. Which one should we look at? Oh, this one caught my eye. It's by Neon, and it looks like neon. I don't know if that's deliberate or if everything Neon does is neon. But here it is. You can select your favorite color. I will go for purple. And then it creates this lovely neon effect. It's just so 80s and just so cool and very creative. Nice job to you, Neon. Damn. Yes, damn indeed. Steve, I wonder if this is the same Steve. Hello, if it is, has taken the blob to a new dimension and included his chickens. Here they come. I don't know the names of the chickens, but I have been reminded of this amazing, I guess it was early noughties phrase, booyah. Oh, can you actually click that? Yay, chicken. Oh, cute. Amazing. Very cute indeed. Yes, it is. This Steve here. Yeah. Oh, 10 seconds left in the vote. Does it actually count down like by the second? That's amazing. Yeah. What else do we have here? Yes. Do you remember this screensaver from, well, I guess it was the 90s. I think originally it said Windows. And then in a slightly later version of Windows, you could type your own message. And I remember thinking this was like the coolest thing ever. Well, I was wrong because this is the coolest thing ever. A Scrimba logo instead. And if you watch it, it changes color when it bounces off the walls, which I thought was inspired. And that one is from Patrick. Nice job to you. Oh, nice detailed explanation from Zozo. Black holes are entities in space created after the death of stars. It collapses into itself and has such high density where even light can't escape. The central point is called singularity. Well, thank you for this. Yeah. Singularity reminds me of, I don't know if it was The Apprentice or something, but one of the teams on some ridiculous game show called themselves Singularity. And I think they thought it had nicer connotations than it actually did. Yes. Oh yeah, also reminds me of the old DVD player screensavers. Yeah, absolutely. DVDs, crikey. I remember those. I'm glad we don't have to faff around with DVDs anymore. That was a pain. And yeah, this one from Spidey has a slightly romantic feel. It starts off like rose petals and slowly morphs into a heart. Oh, look at that. And then morphs back out. Nice one. Beautiful. And I did see one here. Tim Winkle. I don't know if Tim's here today. He quite often comes. Firstly, Tim has redesigned the amazing site behind it with some beautiful gradients and a timer ticking down. But, you can also just click this instead. And then, not just one blob, no. 4 blobs. And then dancing blobs. And then I think they morph back together. Not that I've spent, hours watching this, but yes, wonderful dancing blobs. Great job to Tim. I think it's getting on for the time when we should announce the winner. So let's get that voting open. The final Weekly Web Dev winner of 2021. I can't believe it. Okay, let's get the old vote. View results. Whoa! Check it out. We have a winner with 8 votes of Dave, which was Marvelous Hypnotic Glowing Blob. Look at it go. Congratulations to you, Dave. That is, as you rightly say, nifty. Do you guys know why screensavers are called screensavers? Isn't it something to do with the screen used to take up? No, what was it? Something like leaving the screen on for too long would damage it. So you had these instead, which would somehow not damage it. I don't know. Essentially, I guess I don't really know. If you do know, let me know. Yeah. I really had no idea what to build in that challenge. Yeah. It was quite a tricky one, as we found out. Yeah. Deborah says, that's fun. Oh, here you go. Answer from Steve. Called screensaver because you could burn an image into a CRT monitor. The screensaver would save your screen from pixel burn. So is that because it was moving then? It's just if you had the same static image for too long, but moving it somehow saved it. Well, thank goodness we've moved on from those times, eh? Yeah. Ooh. Could I give the sub to the runner-up and keep the swag? I don't see why not. The runner-up is Amberine. Yay! So if you both drop me a message over on Discord, I will organize those prizes. Yes. If you're wondering about my ramblings about black holes earlier, it's because Michael told me that, don't ask how this came up, but he was surprised that I wasn't aware that black holes are dense. And I said, well, when would I have needed that information? And then he reckons that not knowing that black holes are dense is the same as not knowing that the sun is hot, which I would argue I've experienced the heat of the sun and not the density of black holes. But anyway, it was a nice survey. Thank you for answering, those of you who did. Let's have a look over in JavaScriptless land, which you can now access by going to this link here. Yeah, So these are just some of the solutions that have caught our eye. This one is from Stevie, who's in the chat, I believe. And just get a load of this. We asked for Christmas. We got Christmas. I've been playing that all afternoon. I'm not sure what Michael thinks is up with me or my neighbours, but it's a very good song. I enjoyed it a lot. So thank you, Stevie, for brightening up my day with this retro gaming Christmas theme. Yeah. Dave Constant, the hero Scrimba. Wow, what an accolade. Amazing. And Breen says, my Scrimba subscription is expiring this month, so very timely. Excellent. Nice. I couldn't add Christmas music because bah humbug. Oh, no. As in you tried and you couldn't? If so, it might be that the file is too big. Although this song is really long, so I don't know how big it would have to be, but yes. You can definitely get by in life without knowing what black holes are, and that they are dense. Well, I think so, yes. We have this one from, I've already forgotten, from Darwin. Well, you'd think that would be memorable. You can write a to and a from and your own greeting. I'll just write a Christmas tree. And then, yay! It writes a Christmas card for you. Oh, yeah. Amazing stuff. Ooh. I'm feeling unmotivated for JavaScriptmas. Only did day 1 so far. It's not too late to, do them all. Or you can just pick off or start off from this day, day 6. Yeah. Give it a go. Yeah. Do I get a special hero badge on Discord now? I was thinking maybe if people win the weekly web dev challenge a certain number of times, they should get an extra prize, because some people have won it 2 or 3 times, but I haven't thought it through yet, so I'll let you know. Yes, that is right, Lacho. No weekly web dev challenge in December, because instead we do JavaScript. A challenge a day, yes. And I did say that for those of you who come along here, there will be a sneak preview of some upcoming challenges before they drop. So let's have a look. Okay. Ooh, yes, the musical one. Tomorrow, we have this. It's a music player, but currently it does not play anything. And your job is to make it play stuff. Yes, there is already a music file. I say music, it's just sleigh bells. There's an audio file in here anyway for you to play. But you can switch it out. So Stevie, you can use your amazing retro gaming song if you like. Or maybe if you want to sing your own song, you can do that too. It's entirely up to you. And then for stretch goals, you can maybe add the volume controls or allow the user to select different sounds. Yeah, so that's all coming your way tomorrow. Let's have a look at one more. Need to grab this. This one is, yes, I'll show you this one. No, I'll show you this one. The Christmas guest list. And what you have to do is add the functionality to show off the guest list in this element and add new guests to the array as well. Yes. And you can add a button to remove the most recently added guests or the evil relative. This evil relative. Yes. Entirely up to you. Can we look at my Christmasify entry? Yes, I will go and find it. Dave. I have to remember what day it was. Maybe it's this one. Oh no, I can look on here. We had, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's today. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's today. Okay. Not sure why I have myself in the background there. Never mind. Yes, Christmasify again, says Dave. Oh, Christmasify. Yeah. Woo! Rotating snowman. Amazing. De-Christmasify. And then you get Christmasify again. Nice change of button state. De-Christmasify. Very nice indeed. Yes, and a beautiful Christmas tree. I can only hope that my own Christmas tree will be this beautiful. I'm not actually sure my Christmas tree will even exist this year because I don't know where we're going to put it. Because last year we had it in the living room, but now Michael's bought a piano and put it there. Well, a keyboard. So, I don't know. I have to think about it. Yeah. Ooh, yes. When I started learning development, I received JavaScript as mail last year, but didn't even know what's a variable. Luckily, I can do it this time. That is great to hear. Yes, very cool. It is very cool. I'm going to Christmasify again. Yeah. Having much fun thanks to JavaScriptmas. That is excellent news. Wow. On that note, usually at this point, I would look at the next challenge, Weekly Web Dev challenge, but there isn't one. But they will be back in January, yes. And in the meantime, you have JavaScriptmas to keep you nice and busy. Looking forward to seeing all the amazing solutions. There is a live stream on Wednesday. I've not yet scheduled it, so I don't know why I'm showing you this. It will be here. And it is with a designer turned developer. Yes, very exciting. You may know her from from Twitter, Annie Bombini. So excited about that. But we won't be coding on Friday because Michael's got his office Christmas party. Yeah, good luck with that, Michael. And on that note, yes, I couldn't figure out how to implement the button state change, unfortunately. We'll be working on it today. Ooh, let me know if you manage it. Yes, so hopefully see you all here on Wednesday. And tag me in your JavaScript solutions. Yes, sorry, I was just distracted. Why is Path crying? Because can't do JavaScript because of my exams. Yes. Is there a solution media other than Twitter? Yes, there is. I will grab the link for you now. Discord. URL. Here's the Scrimba. Well, I'm pretty sure you're on the Scrimba Discord server, actually, because I've seen you there. But for anyone who's not, there's the link. And yeah, there is a channel called JavaScript Solutions. So you can put it in there if you would like. They're still chosen at random. Code without Michael. I don't think that would go well. I did consider it. I will consider it some more. Oh, hello, Tim. We looked at yours and we thought it was very nice. Yes. Okay, I will leave you now to get on with JavaScriptness. I hope you have a lovely couple of days until I see you again on Wednesday. Keep coding.